What's going on? It's your boy Rivi 254, man, back for another one. Brought out one of these Swangas. We're gonna see what we can do to clean it up a little bit. This one is also probably like the worst one as far as the tire. As you can see, since I brought it home or whatever, I guess it's just been waiting to exhale, so to speak, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the air out this bitch so it don't explode in the garage and destroy some shit. I just got a little screwdriver here. I might probably the easier way to do this would be to like remove the valve core. I ain't got one of them tools. I ain't no tire shop, so we gonna just keep it pushing. I just need to let some pressure off of it so we can make it do what it do. So so now that we got a good majority of the air up out of there, what I'm gonna do is we gonna, I guess, put some purple power on these rims, man. I don't know if we should hit it with the purple power first, or should we hit it with that old chrome rim cleaner. I just noticed there's a little bit of flaking of the chrome right there, so we'll have to address that. Nothing major. So let's get something on these bad boys. I want to say I'm gonna try this purple power first, because this is not your regular just shine up your chrome rim. You know what I'm saying? We need to hit with a little bit of power first. So let's see what we can make happen. Power and spray it all on this rim. Yes, Lord. Get it on there. Get it on there. This ain't really my specialty. My boy KQ Customs, you know what I'm saying? He can clean up a wheel pretty good, but I'm gonna give it a shot, man. I'm gonna give it a shot, see what I can make it do. See if I can make it do what it do. Seeing how the thing shined up, real glassy, going on the Rivi. So, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Rivi 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Rivi 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so took our purple power, then put it on there, let it sit for a little bit. I mean, it's actually kind of glassy a little bit. I took a 0004, dang, the chrome kind of came on right there. But yeah, I took a little 0004, tried to go around it or whatever. I mean, that couldn't have been prevented. I mean, it was gonna happen. Yeah, man, they might just be able to clean up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's spray it out and see what we get. So, as you can see, I mean, there's parts of it is coming out real glassy, and then there's parts that's coming out, you know what I'm saying, that need a little bit more love and affection, so to speak. I'm gonna have to just try to get off in there. Like, I got big hands, so this wheel is not gonna be easy to work on. But I'm gonna try to get up in there the best way I can, get whatever I can off of there. Like I said, I was using this 0004 pad right here. I was trying to hit like in those little areas right there. See, that came right on off. You know what I'm saying? It's not as abrasive as, you know, your full, you know, SOS pad or nothing like that. But gotta get in there in them crevices, man, and make it happen. Take a little time, a little elbow grease, but when you in this type of, when you live like I live, you know what I'm saying, that's trying to get a deal, man, you gotta be able, or gotta be willing to put a little work in, man, like shine it up a little bit, put a little elbow grease on it, you know what I'm saying, you get in what you put out. See right there where them one little spots was, you know, that's pretty much gone, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna take a little bit more work, but you know, I think old girl she has potential. Y'all let me know what you think, man. Y'all let me know what you think. The Rivi finna be ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, man. Ooh-wee, the Rivi finna be lit. So, y'all have a good day. And I'm gonna be here cleaning these up. Y'all have a blessed one, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And the hustle don't stop. The grind don't stop. Gone.